Hello viewers, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. And if today is your first time coming here, I say very big welcome. All right. In fact, you know I want to appreciate you for those of you who came through for the sales, those from London. I appreciate your US, I appreciate Canada, I appreciate. In fact, I appreciate all of you. All right. The sales ended, as I said, that yesterday, but a lot of people they be pressurizing me, please, please, let's extend this sale. So this is what we decide to do. We're not going to extend it. Rather, we said on the 24th, we're making another sales, which is on the 24th, but this time is 20% discount, not 40%. On the 24th, we're making another sales, which is on Friday. Do not forget. Okay, you understand what I'm saying? Like we've stopped even making videos already for the year, but these have to come up, and then, like, I just have to put it up again. So I might just gonna be announcing this to all of us that on the 24th we'll be making 1 day sale. We'll be making 1 day sale, and this one is massive. This one is massive. All right, 20%. 20% is 20%. 20% is 20%. You all should understand this. 20% is 20%. So for that, let me make a giveaway. Let me drop one recipe for oil. Like, this is real. Okay, you want to look good and you don't have money to buy our product, but you can do this from home. All right, so let me show you this. Okay, and this is what we want to premix. You know what I mean? We want to premix this. Now everybody know this. Yes, you know this lotion as well. This one nice lotion that you can get. You can use alone. You can use this alone. So I'm showing like 4 to 5 lotions that you can promise with this method. It's a giveaway recipe. Trust me, giveaway recipe for those of us who can't really afford to buy our product. You can promise this and start using for yourself, okay? And you will see how it's gonna work out for you. Trust me. It doesn't give white patches. It's not giving any stretch mark. It's not gonna give you any green vein. For those of you who be using this product and it's giving you such side blemishes, you be seeing like something must be gone wrong for your body. You know what I mean? You should be using something like some easy oil to mix it, like, use almond oil, or you use another better oil you can use to mix it. All right, but now this, if you want to promise this, first of all, put this in a bowl. All right, when you put this in a bowl, this is because I'm doing it because of this is S-man. When you put this in a bowl, put a little water, like let's say 50%, or let me just say, okay, 50 ml bottle. After that, you take your, this pimentos. You use this your pimentos to mix it. Look at it. Use this one to mix it. All right. I just said 3 items now. Okay. And after that, then you now put this oil. Please do not forget to put this oil. Do not forget to put this oil. All right. Do not forget to put this oil. Okay. Fine. And after that, then you put this oil also. All right, you can use almond oil, you can use any of the oil. So you use this one also. Put this oil, all right, or you can use avocado, you can use almond, you can use carrot. We have different type of oil you can add. All right. Then you can decide to put a little bit of this. You can add this, a little bit, like 1 spoon or 2 spoon. All right. Fine. So it tastes what it tastes, because some people they don't know all this. All right. So I'm just it's a secret recipe I'm passing on to you. Do not forget that the sales is on Friday 24th. Do not forget that. All right. So that lotion I showed you before, if you want to promise this lotion, you can use all I said. But that better lotion you can still use. All right. You can use this. You can use the original one. Don't forget I said the original one is hard to get now. You can use this. You can use this, which is very good, or you can use this Easy Glow. Get the Easy Glow, the original one. Get this one, the original one. Don't forget we have the fake one that costs white patches a lot. Get the original one, or you can use this. I just want to make you can use this S7, right? You can use this. You can use this as well. Trust me. And then when you mix them in a way that one will not be too much, because a lot of people they don't have the recipe measurement, so it becomes a problem on them. So, but when you got the measurement, so you make sure you use it in a way that it's not going to be too much, because when it's too much, when you put too much tubes, I mean, it causes side effect. So let's avoid that side effect. So you can use this, or let me show you another cream you can use as well. You can use this one too. So I'll just show you a bottle of 5 lotions that you can use to promise all of those additives I just showed to you. So then if you want to activate it more, you want to tweak it, you can use the Blend Pro 9 activator to tweak it more. So that is it. So we've come to the end of this review or tutorial or how to. Do not forget that we have a lot of product we sell as well. Any kind of lotion y'all want to get, just contact me. Original. When I say original, you can see all these product, all of them, they are original. Check them out. All of them, they are original. You can see, you see, any kind of product y'all need from us, we can get you. Oils and all that, right? So like we ship everywhere worldwide, international. That's what we say we are. You know what I mean by that? So, you know, UK, Canada, Europe, Asia country, just name it. Whole of the Africa, we everywhere. You know what I mean? Us global us, we say that we everywhere, we everywhere. So it is what it is. Look at them. Soaps and all that. We have them. So this is Christmas period that we said, oh, we have to look good for our family. That's what we have to do now. We have to look good for our family. All right. So bye bye. Do not forget, like once again, do not forget that the sales is on Friday. When I mean sales is on Friday, it's on Friday. You know what I mean? It's on Friday. Okay. So bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. 20% discount.